Well, public health officials are on alert. They say syphilis cases are rising at alarming rates across Douglas County.
6 News' Johan Marin is on your side with what you should know to protect your health.
It's a trend health officials say is concerning.
Syphilis was thought to be kind of a rare occurrence, and it's really been slowly creeping back up to some of the highest levels we've seen.
Dr. Leah Kosanave with the Douglas County Health Department laid out the numbers on Wednesday. Most recent data from 2022 shows infectious cases are up 110% since 2014, from about 7 cases per 100,000 people to nearly 15. As for the rate among people who have the disease but are not infectious, health officials say that is up more than 400%.
There are different risks for each gender, but we just encourage with pregnancy, that's really the big thing, to screen 3 times. And if anyone is sexually active, we do encourage them to screen at least annually.
The STI can cause serious health problems such as heart, brain, and other organ damage. And for pregnant women who get syphilis, it can cause serious health problems for the baby once it's born.
They can develop jaundice or yellowness. They can eventually develop a small blistering rash and develop an enlarged liver and spleen. We can see inflammation and hardening of the umbilical cord. That's a sign of systemic inflammation. And most importantly, these infants can develop lifelong neurologic problems.
To keep yourself safe from syphilis, it's recommended you use protection during sex. While it can be treated in adults and infants, health officials agree it's better to be safe than sorry.
This involves a long hospitalization, multiple invasive procedures, and still incurs a risk for some of these complications later in life.
There are ways you can identify if you have syphilis, and you'll notice white sores in your mouth, red rashes on your body, and you'll feel flu-like symptoms. For more information on how to prevent the STI, you can go to our website at WOWT.com. On your side in the newsroom, Johan Marin, 6 News.